Can anybody guess what tractor I am sitting in right now? When you're running combine and have that view over there, that's just pretty awesome. That's almost as awesome as watching that Mike Les guy on YouTube. That is one good-looking tractor and grain cart. Hey everyone, it's Farmhand Mike here, and one last video from the Virtual Farm Progress Show in Boone, Iowa. I had no idea this beast of a tractor was even going to be here. It was scheduled to be at the Farm Progress Show before the show was canceled, and it was going to be parked on Titan's lot, but with the show being canceled and just running the virtual, I had no idea, so this was pretty awesome to see. I was actually just getting ready to do my field demo with the Versatile Delta Track and the high-speed disc. I was in the cab, and this thing went right by the tractor I was sitting in, so I was able to jump out and get that opening shot of it coming in on a semi-trailer, and this is just spectacular. They wasted no time getting the duals on that day, and they parked the tractor in the barn, and the next morning, which is right now, they had this tractor, they backed it out of the barn. I seen it backing out of the barn. I got the drone up, got this nice shot of it rolling out to the field. They took it out to the field, and they parked it there for everybody, or the few people that were at the show, to see it. And you're going to see those shots. I got to climb up in the cab and check it all out and everything, so it's pretty awesome. And at the end of this video, they were loading this thing back up, and they took the duals off. I got footage of all that. Now, there's been several videos going around social media and so forth of this tractor. This just got new tires put on it in July here, and it got these Titan LSW tires, which are 1400/30R46 tires. And this tractor is right now just under 26 feet wide. I'll give you some quick specs on this tractor. I don't claim to be an expert on it, but there's plenty of good information about this tractor on the internet. This tractor was built in Havre, Montana at the Big Bud factory back in 1977, and it looks like it went out to California first to a farm, and then it went to Florida for a farm where it was used for deep ripping there, and then it went back to Montana to Robert and Randy Williams in Big Sandy, Montana, just about 60 miles from the factory where it was built. They were actually here at the show, and I got to talk to them, so that was pretty interesting. They had the tractor at their farm for a while, and then the tractor got moved to Iowa. It was in a museum up until just July here when it got these new tires on it. Here at the show, when it gets loaded back up, it's supposed to go back to Montana, and it's supposed to go back in the field. Now, as far as I know, this is the world's largest farm tractor. From the specs I looked at, when this tractor's got these tires on it, the duals on it and everything, and is full of fuel, which it does have a 1,000-gallon fuel tank capacity, I'm told this tractor weighs in around 135,000 pounds. This tractor has a 16-cylinder Detroit diesel engine in it, and originally started out not quite this high. I think it was like 700 and some horsepower originally. It got bumped up, and I'm now told this tractor is 1,100 horsepower. They also now make a 1/64th replica toy of this that is very high detail. Costs around 130 bucks, I think. I was able to get two of them here. I didn't quite pay that. I won't tell you what I paid for it. I think I got a deal, but I do have that, and I got a picture of that at the end of the video as well. But I'm pretty sure you can get on any toy tractor site and find it and order yourself one of those toys. It was definitely pretty awesome to get to see this in person, get to sit in it and so forth. I may get to see it again as I do get out to Montana once in a while. Who knows? I don't know how much they're going to use this. Maybe it'll go back in a museum. I'm really not sure. Anyhow, I got a little over 16 minutes of video here. Got a little bit more from the sky here. Look at it. I'm going to walk around it with the GoPro, climb up in the cab, and then towards the last half of the video, you're going to see him back it up on the trailer and remove the dual tires, where it is going to be back to Montana. Actually, as I'm editing this video, it's already back in Montana, and I'm pretty sure I saw a clip that it is already working in the fields. And how about that? Think they'll ever make a tractor this big again someday? Things keep getting bigger and bigger, so who knows? Look at that big dash and all those gauges. The hour meter said 2,211 hours. I don't know if that's correct or not, but if it is, it's barely broke in. The microphone on my camera and this tractor did not seem to get along. This tractor sounded mean. Of course, I didn't know I was having microphone problems with this tractor until I'm editing this video.
Oh wait, we're on our turf.
And here's a few aerial shots I took just to put this whole thing in perspective of this tractor sitting on the trailer. It would be pretty neat to be going down the interstate and past this bad boy. And that's going to do it for this video. This is the last video I shot here at the Virtual Farm Progress Show 2. If you've not seen my others, you can go back and check those out, of all the corn harvest, field demos, and so forth. I want to thank everybody for watching. I still got a lot of good content coming to my YouTube channel. Remember, you can also check me out on Instagram and Twitter at Farmhand Mike, and feel free to comment below and hit that like button.